How to download TikTok in your country if it is missing. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can download the TikTok if it is missing. If it is missing, it probably means it has been banned in your country or some technical errors. So the major thing, it has been banned in your country because maybe that country has changed the rule and you can't really download the TikTok application when you head over to your preferred app store. So if you really want to download that app TikTok, what you can do is you can head over to the official website of TikTok, tiktok.com/download, and it gives you an option to download the TikTok for both Android and iOS. So if you want to download it for your iOS or Android, you can use of this download button right here in this browser. You can use this option in order to download it. But if it is not working, the other way we have is going to our Play Store and downloading a VPN. So when we go ahead and download up a VPN, any of the VPN, your preferred VPN, for example, I have downloaded this one. All you need to do is change your country's location to a country in which the TikTok application is applicable or which can be downloaded. So you can use up that feature. After that is done, you can head over to your preferred app store and then search for TikTok there. And when you go ahead and search for TikTok, you should be finding an install option for your TikTok application. So you can just go ahead and download it from there and use it. So this is the method you can apply up for now. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.